Welcome to a world where the innocent chime of a doorbell becomes an eerie prelude to the unknown. Brace yourself as we dive into chilling doorbell cam footage that captures moments both perplexing and spine-chilling. From uninvited guests lurking in the shadows to bizarre occurrences that make us scratch our head, these unsettling encounters unfold right at people's doorsteps, leaving us to wonder, what is wrong with people? So please be safe out there. Always keep your doors and windows locked. Call 911 if anything suspicious occurs outside your house. Now, on to the weirdness. A seemingly normal looking man approaches the house to possibly get in pretending to look for someone. Thankfully, he was not successful and moved on. Of course, this could have been totally innocent and he could have had the wrong house.
Hello?
Hey,
Yes?
Chris, it's
Chris?
me.
No, sweetheart, you have the wrong house.
My bad.
It's okay. There's nobody named Chris here. Maybe he's next door.
Alright.
For some strange reason, this kid appears to be making out with this person's Ring camera before grabbing their mail and leaving. But why?
The shower curtain. No. Gotta go. Ah.
A man breaks into a car before noticing the camera watching him from the back seat, then asks an odd question.
Oh, hey. You ready for school?
I guess porch pirates come in all ages. He comes to steal the packages, but then pretends to be innocent when he notices the camera and its message to him. I know he is scared, but kid, just leave.
Camera recording.
I was just joking.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
Hello, hi. Are y'all home?
This next one is just disgusting. And why is he smelling the food after rubbing it on himself? I really hope he got fired.
Hi, we can't answer the door right now, but the camera is recording. So please just leave us a message. Thanks for coming by.
These two men are trying to break into this house during the occupants' engagement party. Thankfully, the person inside yells at them to get lost and they run away.
Can I help you people? Huh? Get away from me. I'm pulling the cops right.
Just keep your eye on Michael Myers. Not sure what this guy's up to, but he appears to need help and ends up using the homeowner's cell phone. After failing to call someone, he leaves. You never know if people really need help or it's just a ploy.
Help? Can I use a phone to call a cab?
This young woman is trying to break into the garage in the middle of the night. Then she starts to act very oddly.
Ew, an ugly. Hi, Jeffrey. Hi, sisters. What What are you doing here? Oh my goodness, you got the infection.
Jeremy,
What are you doing? Pull yourself together.
get close to the screen.
Okay, I'm coming. Mami, no me dejes, tengo miedo.
One of the family members in this next clip grabs a gun to prepare for the worst as the stranger walking up the driveway tries to break in on Thanksgiving night. I am glad the son was able to get him out of the house.
What's wrong with him? He's drunk.
이게 한나라에 가는 거 느낌이야?
Hey, you don't live here, sir. Son, don't do that.
Already fucking told you once. Get out of here. Get out of here. Get the f*** out of here.
No, son.
Get the fuck out of here.
No, son.
Get out of here.
Hey,
I
hey.
wanna fucking root back.
Hey.
Yo, motherfucker. Fuck you.
No, son. No, son.
Fuck you.
No.
Fuck out of my house.
Hey.
Fuck you.
Here, son. Open the door. Come on. Please, let's hurry.
Oh.
Son.
Get it.
There's a drunk guy that's in our yard in our house. He just came into our house.
Oh.
We got him out. Come in the house. Shut the door. Let's go. Come on, son. Let's go. Get in the house. Get in the house. Let's lock the door.
No.
Cars are outside.
They're fine. Yes, I'm locking the door right now.
나 모르겠어.
The red car obviously was not paying attention or was on something, as he plows into a parked car, backs up, then drives away. Not sure if he was caught, but I sure hope he was. This man was annoyed by his downstairs neighbors playing music, so he really showed them by dumping garbage on the stairs. I bet they really learned their lesson. In this clip, we see two men walk into a convenience store, just pretending to look around like normal, then robs the clerk. Thankfully, they are arrested with the help of someone outside. This very friendly neighbor was caught dumping a bunch of leaves on his neighbor's lawn. What was he mad about? Who knows?
My friendly neighbor back at it again.
On July 21st, 2021, a woman updated her Facebook account with scary video from her Ring doorbell. She was home alone, and this scruffy-looking man rang her bell numerous times, saying he just had some questions. She ignored him, but he persisted. She called her husband and 911. I can't imagine what would have happened if she answered the door.
Are you sure? I just rang your doorbell because I have a couple questions for you. Are you sure? I just rang your doorbell because I have a couple questions for you. Are you sure? What? Are you sure? I just rang your doorbell because I have a couple questions for you. Are you sure? Are you positive? Are you sure? I just have a couple questions for you. Are you sure? Are you positive? I just have a couple questions for you. Are you sure? Are you positive? Are you sure? Are you absolutely certain?
So, who are you?
What? Yeah? Are you sure?
Who are you?
Hey, I just had a couple questions. I just wanted to ask you about the TV show. Yeah, can you hear me? What I'm looking for is for the girl that's in the house to come out here because I'm going to rape her in front of her.
Can you have her open the door? I'm going to rape and kill the girl that's on the other side of this door when she lets me in. I want to rape her and kill her because I have a knife and a gun. Yeah, and I'm going to knock on her door again. All right. Yeah. What? Go. They're on the way.
This next one's pretty scary too. This was a few years ago. On November 12th, 2019, neighbors in Los Angeles heard awful screaming by a woman. It's pretty upsetting to listen to, so be prepared. Many calls were made to 911 because people thought this could be a kidnapping, and the homeowner even got into his car to try it and catch up to the driver, but unfortunately he was not able to. On February 10th, 2021, in North Carolina, a woman saw on her doorbell camera that her front porch furniture was moved around. Nobody was home that morning, and what she saw in the footage was very disturbing. As you can see, the man is holding a knife. Thankfully, the man was identified and taken to a local hospital for evaluation. In 2021, a Twitter user in Texas stated that a suspicious man was hanging around her apartment almost every night for a month. She did call the cops, but she felt they didn't do enough to keep him away. This is definitely creepy, just standing there looking at her door. What did he want? Anytime a child knocks on your door in fear, you worry that they're being chased or maybe even being kidnapped. They need help. This occurred in November 2019, also in Texas. She is knocking on an unoccupied house in the middle of the night. She's clearly scared and keeps looking behind her. Shortly after this video was recorded, police were notified, but it doesn't seem like this girl was ever identified. If this was even real, this also could have been a ploy.
Help, please. Our dog is... Please help.
For our last clip, again in Texas, on April 29th, 2023, at 4:30 in the morning, we see a woman running to the door knocking. We cannot see anybody in the background, but she keeps looking behind her, crouching like she's hiding from someone. It's scary to think she could be hiding from somebody dangerous. After a few minutes, a car's headlights illuminate the driveway and she walks towards it. Not sure if she got in, but I hope she was safe in the end.